Hello, my name is Alesha Galea'i, and I played the role of teenage essay in the film TALA. At first, I found it a little difficult to play this role because I saw it was such a big role and a very emotional role too. So when they told me what I had to do, I was thinking to myself, oh man, like, how do I, how am I supposed to act this out? Or like, what's the best way that I should act this out? And so I was thinking about it, didn't really know what to do. But luckily, one day my brother had to drive me to go film, and I got in an argument with him. And I was so mad at him, and he turns to me and he tells me, yeah, you see how you feel right now? Go use that on the film. And I saw my thoughts
He's
stuff.
the one who took TALA.
Oh yeah, I should do that. And so then, when we started filming, I drew on a lot of personal and emotional experiences to really help me feel and like get in touch with how I should act. And so it made it easier. So it wasn't too bad or too hard. Yeah, so it was an amazing opportunity to play that role. One of the scenes that stood out to me the most after watching the film was when younger Esse and her father went to go bury Tala. It was such a sad and tender moment, and it was hard to see such a tight and loving family bury their heart. And to only see that Esse and her father went, it really touched the heart for me. And so that was my favorite scene out of the whole movie. And one thing I hope that people will get from this film is the power of forgiveness. I hope that they're able to see that, you know, through life you're gonna have a lot of trials that will weigh you down, but I know that through forgiveness, you know, you're able to lift that burden off of you, and you don't have to carry such heartache with you throughout your life through forgiveness. So I hope they're able to see and feel how strong forgiveness can be.